Today's topic is shopping in English.
This is very useful. In real life, in stores, malls, and markets?
Yes, many learners feel nervous when talking to shop workers.
But don't worry. We will help you, step by step.
Before we start, please comment. What do you like to shop for? Clothes? Food? Electronics?
And don't forget to like, comment, share.
Part 1. Basic shopping vocabulary. Let's start with simple words.
Store, place to buy things. Price, how much money? Cheap, not expensive. Expensive, high price. Cashier, person who takes money.
These words are very important for shopping.
When you enter a shop, you may hear, "Hello, can I help you?"
You can answer. Just looking, thank you. Yes, I need some help. Part 3. Asking about price. You can ask, how much is this? What is the price?
Simple and clear. For example, how much is this shirt?
Part 4. Real shopping conversation. Let's listen to a real conversation.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a shirt.
What size?
Medium, please.
Here you are. Would you like to try it?
Yes, thank you.
Part 5. At the fitting room. In a store, you may hear, "The fitting room is over there."
You can say, it fits well. It's too small. It's too big.
Part 6. Funny story. Lily, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
One time, I wanted to say, "I'm just looking," but I said, "I'm just looking at you."
No!
The worker got very confused.
Part 7. Embarrassing story. I have one too. A cashier said, "Do you need a bag?" And I said, "I need a car." I was so nervous.
Part 8. Useful shopping tips. Tip 1. Use simple phrases. I want this. How much is this?
Tip 2. Don't be shy. It's okay to ask questions.
Tip 3. Check prices. Always ask before buying.
Tip 4. Practice common questions. Do you have this in another size? Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room?
Part 9. Practice section. Repeat after me. How much is this?
I'm just looking.
Do you have a bigger size?
Can I try this on?
Part 10. Longer shopping conversation. Let's try a longer conversation. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for shoes.
What size do you need?
Size 38, please.
Here you go. Would you like to try them?
Yes, please.
How do they feel?
They feel comfortable.
Great. Would you like to buy them?
Yes, I will take them.
Part 11. Paying at the cashier. At the cashier, you can say, "Can I pay by card?" Cash, please.
Or, do you accept credit cards?
Part 12. Encouragement. Dear listeners, shopping is a great way to practice English.
Yes, it is real-life speaking.
Start small and keep practicing.
Start small and keep practicing.
Summary. Today we learned shopping vocabulary, how to ask prices, how to try clothes, useful store phrases, real conversations.
And remember, Confidence comes with practice. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Please don't forget, like, comment what you like to shop for. Share.
See you next time.